Discipline isn't a personality trait you're born with. It's a skill you build, like a muscle. And just like a muscle, it gets stronger the more you train it. Here's how to build iron self-discipline, step by step, starting today. Step 1, shift your identity before your behavior. Don't say, I'm trying to be disciplined. Say, I am a disciplined person. Proverbs 23:7, as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Your behavior follows your identity. Not the other way around. Step 2, start embarrassingly small. If you want to exercise daily, start with 1 push-up. Not 30. 1. If you want to read daily, start with 1 page. Not a chapter. The goal isn't the activity, it's building the habit of showing up consistently. James Clear calls this the 2-minute rule: scale any habit down to something that takes less than 2 minutes. Want to meditate? Start with 1 minute of stillness. Want to journal? Write 1 sentence. Make it so easy you can't say no. Step 3, habit stack. Attach your new habit to something you already do automatically. After I pour my coffee, I will read 1 page of scripture. After I brush my teeth, I will do 5 push-ups. The existing habit becomes the trigger for the new one. Step 4, remove friction from good habits and add friction to bad ones. Put your running shoes next to your bed. Delete social media apps from your phone. Make the right choice easy and the wrong choice hard. Environment beats willpower every time. The common claim is it takes 21 days to form a habit. Research from University College London shows it actually takes an average of 66 days. Some habits take over 200 days. Don't quit because day 30 feels hard. Stay patient. Step 5, never miss twice. You will miss a day. That's not failure, that's life. But missing 2 days in a row is the beginning of a new habit, the habit of not doing it. Proverbs 24:16, the righteous falls 7 times, and rise again. Fall, then rise immediately. Step 6, use accountability. Tell someone your goal. Check in weekly. Ecclesiastes 4:9, 2 are better than 1. Solo discipline is possible but fragile. Shared discipline is durable. Find your iron-sharpening iron partner. Step 7, reward the process, not just the outcome. Don't wait until you've lost 20 pounds to feel good. Celebrate the fact that you showed up at the gym today. The process is the victory. The outcome is just the receipt. Discipline compounds. 1% better every day means you'll be 37 times better in a year. 1 Corinthians 15:58, be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord. Steadfast. Immovable. That's iron discipline. Subscribe for more self-improvement wisdom. Start with 1 habit. Keep it tiny. Show up daily. Never miss twice. In 1 year you won't recognize yourself. God bless your discipline journey.